Yes, this video was filmed during the pandemic, and one thing I love is some snow crabs. In my house, I'm the only one who eats them. And before I can begin cooking, I have to give my crabs a good scrub down. So first I scrub the outer shell, give them a good rinse before soaking my seafood in a nice little lemon water bath. I also clean and devein my shrimp as well before adding into the lemon bath. Once that process is finished, I rinse them off again and prepare them for my seafood bake. For my seafood bake, I use lemon juice, slap your mama, Old Bay, ground red pepper, garlic, seafood magic, Cajun seasoning, and some butter. At this time, all I was able to find were these seasonings at the store. It was during the pandemic, so I had to use what I was able to find. So once I put everything together, I covered it and popped it in a pan and put it into the oven. And this is how it came out. If you have any suggestions on how I could do this better, definitely leave it in the comments below because I'm definitely learning. And since then, I did buy a pot.